You guys, I'm getting ready for work, but I cannot wait to show you my lunchbox today. I'm not a baker by any means, but thanks to Wildrgrain, your girl feels like she's a baker, okay? Sister made bread, croissants, pie, homemade fettuccine. Now, I'm a cook. Sis can cook. Okay, I can cook, and I take pride in that, and especially with this new lifestyle that I have. I'm a flight attendant, in case you guys don't know. I want to continue to eat well without spending a whole lot of money, and eating out of airports every single day is, one, overly expensive, and two, not good for you. So I've been gaining extra weight because I've been eating trash, but I'm back on it. I'm back cooking and back eating better. So you take a look at all of these amazing things that I've prepared, courtesy of Wildrgrain. You tell me what you think, okay? Take a look. So I grab my fettuccine. I'm making sure I'm reading it so I can follow directions. Boil my water, add a little bit of salt. Per the directions, of course, I had to add my own flavors. I have some shrimp, some chicken, onions, garlic, spinach. I boiled my noodles and let them come up to a boil. And boom, delicious, healthy, great quality noodles, fettuccine. It is delicious. Now to make my croissants for breakfast. Follow the directions on the package. They came out beautiful, flaky, delicious. You can't tell me I'm not a baker, okay? Period. That's my breakfast. I had a little bit of fig preserves left over. Now to make these cherry pie bites to die for. Oh my God. They looked different, but baby, delicious. I'm mad that they ran out. I mean, delicious, 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm at work. I just heated up my food on my trusty dusty cooker, and I am at work. You can see that I have my pasta, and I am starving. Okay, starving. Look how hot it is. I mean, it's been I meal prepped this on, I want to say 2, and it's still delicious. Okay, still delicious. This is the last of it though. I'm sad because I didn't eat all that pasta by myself, but 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.